Welcome to this tutorial. During this tutorial, we'll be having a look at how vendor panel and local government procurement work together. Local government procurement has been prescribed under Section 55 of the Local Government Act, which allows for the provision for a suite of contracts for councils, state agencies, and not-for-profits to purchase goods and services through. Vendor Panel works with LGP to serve as an online procurement tool that hosts LGP's contract suite, including contract information, supplier information, and associated pricing schedules. If you're looking to purchase goods or services under an LGP contract through Vendor Panel, you must be either an employee of a council, state agency, not-for-profit organisation, or an LGP-approved contractor. To register for a Vendor Panel account, please visit www.vendorpanel.com.au. Using Vendor Panel to access local government procurement lists allows you to release a request for quote to suppliers underneath the LGP enterprise. Selected suppliers will receive notification of your request and also have the opportunity to respond directly in Vendor Panel. For more information on how to run an RFQ on Vendor Panel, please visit the Vendor Panel FAQs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Contact LGP at operations@lgp.org.au or on 02 8270 8752. Contact Vendor Panel at support@vendorpanel.zendesk.com or on 03 9095 6181.